Hey guys, welcome back to Dad Life Fishing Adventures. Today we're going to be fishing for some smallmouth bass on a local creek. We've got an extra companion with us, so Reese has got a friend.
Hello. What's your name,
Introduce yourself.
My name is Scout.
Scout's joining us today. Reese is joining us today, right,
Woo!
bro? Let's go fishing. Oh, fish on. There we go. Reese, oh, be careful, bud. One step at a time. Here, you want to hold him?
Look, Dad. No.
Put your thumb in his, no, put your thumb in his mouth.
Put your thumb in his
You didn't
mouth.
come here not to hold him. He doesn't have teeth. See, look, just like Reese
I'll
did.
do it. Okay.
Just grip
It's
him.
tight.
There you go.
Okay.
Bring it here.
Yes.
Yeah, we'll throw that in the kayak. That's a nice chatterbait. Get him. Yank, yank, yank. You got a fish. Yeah. There you go. Slow down, slow down, slow down. Slow down. Let him fight. There we go. Oh, he got off. It's okay. It's okay, bro.
I think that one's...
Kind of crazy. Reese about hit me. Oh. Oh, I got that one. Here, fight him. He's on now.
Oh.
Nice. Lip it hard.
Got it. Ouch.
Atta boy.
Spider.
He ain't gonna. Oh, that's okay.
Hey, I still caught him.
Good job, buddy.
Still caught him.
Fish. Fish. Fish on. Always, it's, yeah.
Kiss him. Kiss him.
Squeeze him.
Ouch.
There you go.
Ah, it hurts.
You're okay.
Kiss him. No.
Let him go.
Okay, no, I'm doing it.
Reese will smooch him. I don't know, something big. Oh, nice fish. Decent little. Oh, there's a couple of them. There was two of them. This one and another one. It is right now. It is.
Get it wet. Scout and go it. Feels like
Oh, fish on. Oh, big one, Reese. We don't need the net for sure. Stay on. This is the one that we've been missing, I think.
Stay on, bud.
Don't cast right now, Scott. You don't want to see this fish.
Oh, that one's big.
Oh yeah, this is a 15. Oh, buddy. Hey, there we go.
Woo!
That's a better one. He ain't gonna bite you. Yep, there you go. See? Here, let me get a, don't let, yeah, he's about 1.5 pounds. Let him go. He's ready.
No, that's for me.
Need the net. Yeah, it's weird, isn't it? Because it's blowing at us.
Water. I had this stuff on the water, and I was gonna grab something, and it just did this.
Oh, yeah. Boy, it'd be awesome to get a big topwater. Oh, there we go. Good fish, guys.
You got one?
Yeah. Oh, he got off.
What?
Ah.
I landed a current with me. Alright.
Oh, there we go.
Oh, you got one?
Yeah.
Nice.
You want to fight him?
Sure.
Just real smoothly. Just real smoothly. Real smoothly. Don't let him go.
I know he's probably little, but
Just
keep
real
attention
smoothly.
on him.
Yep, he's
Like,
doing
hold
good.
him
He's
down.
doing good.
oh,
It's a oh, it's
I
okay.
lost him, then I got him, then I lost him.
Oh, fish on. There we go. Little guy. Hey kids, what are you guys doing? Hey guys, thanks for watching this video from Dad Life Fishing Adventures. Did you have fun?
Yeah, we had a blast. We had lots of fun. We scout tagged along.
Scout, how did you do?
I did all right. I almost caught a lot, but they always got away.
Yeah, but we did. We got you on your first smallmouth bass.
First smallmouth bass.
Yep.
Yeah.
You had a lot of fun. First long wading trip, right?
Yeah.
How did you do, Reese?
Good. It was a blast.
What did you find today?
Well, I found a railroad spike. I'm gonna make a knife out of that when I get this stuff. I found a little mini soccer ball that was blown all the way up. I gave that to Scout. And I went up in this drain pipe kind of rainwater whatever thing. And I'm like, why is there wood and why are there wheels next to it? I get closer, I'm like, oh my gosh, it's a skateboard. So I have that in the back.
So Reese got a railroad spike, a skateboard, some colorful shells, right? All sorts of stuff.
Shell. It's purple.
Hey, we had a blast out here. If you haven't yet, pound that like button, drop us a comment, and subscribe to the channel and become part of the Dad Life Fishing Adventure family. God bless. We'll see you out on the water next time.